hear snoring, can you? Santa, I've got a visitor for you, Amelia.
Wait.
Oh.
Hello, Amelia. Hello.
I got some
What have you brought for me?
a few sweeties.
Oh, thank you very much. Oh no, look. Rum. I like sweets.
Santa, I brought them so you can eat them.
So I can eat them?
Yeah.
Look at these. Can I just take one and put it on one side?
Sure.
Ooh, little red heart. That's nice. Put that there. Ooh. There's Father Christmas. He wants a little. Hello. Oh, hug. He's been very quiet this morning.
He's only 3 months old.
Only 3 months old.
Oh, I don't mind if you
Is
want.
she going to have a stocking at Christmas?
I've got a multicoloured one.
For you? How big is it? Like this?
And it's like,
Now, what would you like me to put into it?
I forgot to tell you, do you remember the call last night?
The call? Well, yes, but do you know what? We were flying through the night, and there was snow and wind, and he was pulling the sleigh, or the real one was pulling the sleigh. That's not a real one. It's a cuddly one, and that's not a real Santa either. It's only a cuddly.
You are.
I am. Yeah. Yes. And it's work. It's a tough old job.
Donna got a sweet too.
Donna got one.
Because
Did she take two? Oh. What about the other elf?
she changed our time so we could get here to see you.
Yeah. Did you get stuck then? Did you get delayed?
Well, just lots of traffic.
Do you know what you need? You need a reindeer and a sleigh. There's no traffic problems. No, not at all, because you are flying, aren't we?
And I sent Louis to my house.
Yes. Oh,
Now I have 2 elves.
2 elves.
And he wrote me a silly little note. He wrote me a note.
Was it all spelt correctly? That's fine. As long as the spelling's right, it doesn't matter.
Well, it didn't look right, but it was right. Well,
Are you a very good reader then? Do you read a lot? What sort of things do you read?
which one from the Very Hungry Caterpillar?
Very Hungry Caterpillar. Yeah, that's funny, isn't it?
Did you listen to me read it down there today?
I can hear all the things. We know it's all technology. We know everything that we need to know.
Did you hear me read it?
I'd like to hear you read it again. Have you got it?
No.
Can you remember it?
Oh, hopefully.
Oh dear. How old are you? 5.
Look at this side.
Ooh, you cut your finger.
No.
Oh, it's just sticker. Oh dear. Oh dear me. How long have you had that?
Start from today.
Oh. Have you been for a scan? That looks
No.
right. You want to look after that. You don't want it making blobby mess, do you, all over your presents?
I put a plaster on this finger because I didn't want to catch this little bit on the airplane. Now I'm not on the airplane. I took off.
Yeah. But you are on an aeroplane.
Well, when I was scared when I went up it, I was going to catch it. But when I go down, I'm going to have my gloves on.
Yeah, that's right. You hang on tight going down those awful steps. Now,
It felt like I was flying when I went up the stairs.
have you got a chimney in your house?
No. Maybe you've got that special key here.
Yeah.
And if you really don't want to use that one, I've got a key out there for you.
Don't tell them all. Don't tell them. They'll have a special key if you tell them. That's a secret key. Where is it? Just think it. So you can send it by email.
It's at my house.
I've got it. That's it. I got it. By email. Straight into my head. I know exactly where it is.
Where?
Your house.
Well, I just told you.
I know! Do you know what? I meant to do the jokes. Here's one. When I put all the presents inside the stocking, if I'm a little bit hungry, what can you do to help? Could you put something there for me to eat?
Yes, right there.
Some of those. That would be lovely.
And a mince pie.
And a mince pie.
I'm going to leave you some yummy milk.
Milk, that would be really
and
lovely.
I'm going to leave Rudolph a carrot and some reindeer food that you sent me.
Yes. Why? Why?
I guess that it's going to be like that big bowl.
Wow. Why do they eat carrots?
Because if they eat cabbage, they die.
He doesn't like the sound. I'm going to block his ears up. He doesn't want to hear that sort of talk. I don't want to die. I'm not having cabbage. I want carrots. The reason they have carrots also is because they can see better in the dark. Did you know that?
Like Rudolph.
That is like Rudolph. Well, it's not. Actually,
What
he thinks he
school
is
do I go
Rudolph.
To?
What? Was that a question?
Yeah. What school do I go to?
Oh, I don't. I'm not allowed to know that. It's this thing about protecting your anonymity. So I'm not allowed to say. I know what it is, but I can't tell anyone. If I tell you where your school is, that spoils it all, and I'd be in real trouble.
I'm in year 1.
Yes.
I'm Miss Davy. I'm
Yes.
in Pharaoh.
Did you have a thing where you acted? Did you
I
do
did
a...
Pharaoh at the end of the day. I watched Rudolph. You know the film where Pink Bunny and he has the red nose and he sings the song. I watched that at my school every single day.
Yeah.
And there's only 9 days until Christmas.
You know the Pink Bunny has carrots. And the reason the reindeer was talking to the Pink Bunny, and he said, I am very worried because when I'm flying at night, sometimes I can't see things properly. And the Pink Bunny said, well, have carrots, eat carrots. And he said, well, why will that help me? How will I know that if I eat carrots, I'm going to be able to see? And the Pink Bunny said, have you ever seen a rabbit wearing glasses? And that's true, isn't it? So it must be good for reindeers too.
Did you see me down there wearing my nanny's glasses?
No. Oh, does that make a noise when you do that?
No.
Do it again.
You're doing it! And you took for the reindeer.
Yeah. Now, I thought maybe I should eat carrots, but I thought I prefer mince pies. Mince pants and get some glasses. How about that? That's a better idea. There's one little thing. Do you know at night when you go to sleep and I bring these presents, what happens if you're awake?
You won't come. And you'll quickly change us onto the naughty list.
Well, here's a clue, and I don't tell this to everybody. Do you know what you do if you can't sleep? You pretend to sleep. Do you know what that means? Pretending to sleep is when you just do that and go, and Mummy and Daddy think, oh, that's lovely. She's asleep. So if you pretend that you're asleep, I won't know, will I? So you remember that. If you're lying there and you think you hear a little noise, the door opening, or you hear a big footsteps, or you hear a reindeer going, whatever they do, nay, or moo. No,
They don't go moo, they go neigh.
Nay, okay.
Cows don't moo.
Yeah, if you hear nay, then what you do is you close your eyes and pretend you're asleep. And then all the things get taken, and you will notice the mince pie will disappear. Do you have any dogs?
I'm really happy that last year you moved our rug so you didn't make a mess on our rug, but we still have to clean it.
That's right. Yeah. That's why you're lucky you don't have a fireplace. Because if you have a chimney and I come down with muddy, dirty feet full of soot and go across all the carpets, someone goes, I'm not too keen on this Santa Claus idea because they keep making a mess of my carpet. And when I come in through somewhere else with the magic key, there is no mess. So that's good, isn't it? Now all this is all this thing about presents, it's all about you being good all the way through the year. What have you done that's been really good this year? The people said that was...
Did you see on my TikTok by the camera? Tick, 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 tick.
Lots of ticks. Are there any crosses?
Only on Wednesday.
Only on Wednesday. What was that for?
I can't remember.
That's good.
If you start looking through that camera, you will know what it's for.
Oh, right. I don't think I'm going to get to look at that. I think that's more secret, isn't it? Between...
That's like Daddy said when the camera stops blinking red, you're the naughtiest.
Ooh.
But Daddy tried to trick me. He turned it round and I was like, you're just trying to trick me. Turn it round. I'm like, you've tricked me.
Oh. If his nose goes red, does he try to trick you? Or is it only cameras?
Only cameras.
Thank goodness for that. We nearly let the cat out the bag then, didn't we? We nearly told her what you can really do, because he's not always good. Sometimes he gets a little red light. So, there we are. Would you like a prezi?
Yes, please.
Good. Let's see what we got. Girl, little girl, quite noisy. There's one for you. And that's, you know what they are?
Snowflakes.
Snowflakes.
Did you see me yesterday sing my snowflake song?
Can you sing it again?
The whole song?
Just a little bit of it then.
Just what you can remember.
See them
Hang on, let me turn the little recorder on. This is the Snowflake song by Amelia. Right, okay.
See them as they swirl, watch them as they whirl, the soft white snowflakes serenade, falling all around, gently to the ground, the soft white snowflake serenade.
That's beautiful.
Snowflake serenade, snowflake serenade, snowflakes dancing in the millions. Snowflake serenade, snowflake serenade, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions. See them as they swirl, watch them as they whirl. A soft white snowflake serenade, falling all around.
That is absolutely amazing. Well done. No one has ever sung a song as long as that.
Santa, I think it's your dinner time now.
It's not carrots, is it?
No, carrot soup.
It's carrot soup. Oh my goodness.
Carrot and coriander.
Can I just stay wearing glasses and have steak pie?
Thank you for coming and seeing us.
Yeah, that was really lovely. Lovely to see you.
Why do you always come to Brooklands?
Because I like the people in Brooklands and they're always very, very kind. And I have a nice lunch. And because there's lots of grass fields around here for the reindeers to go and eat. And they like it. And they also sometimes have it in Marks and Spencer's.
They're further away at the moment.
They're long
Come on
way.
then, Millie, say goodbye.
That's lovely. Yes. Oh, do you want a photograph?
Oh, yes, please.
Yes. How about high five with Santa? Prezi in one hand, like, oh, how can you do a high five like that? Do a high five on no. Tell you what, put that there so it's in the view. Have you got a camera? Yeah, here we go. Stand here. Look at those shoes.
Are these your sacks?
Yeah.
Children,
Yeah.
different toys.
Which is the girl
Millie,
one?
come on.
The girl
let's
one,
talk.
there,
She's got it.
it says girls on it.
She's got a girl one.
One hanger, yeah. That is from that pack. Ready?
Look
Here
at
we
us,
go.
Millie.
Oh, hang on. Hang on. They're all in. They all want to be in it. Hooray!
Come on then.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, little one.
What did you say to Father Christmas, Amelia?
Oh,
Good. We
well,
must keep
thank
this
you.
going
I'll
next
say
year.
thank you to you because it's been
It's
really
a
lovely
head
meeting
of
you again. So we'll see you
This is the
next
first
year.
time you've met me at Brooklands.
Wow.
Last time you gave me a cup.
A cup.
Yes, you did, Santa. I remember those cups.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
Right.
were great.
And I still haven't
Oh,
touched
Vicky.
it for years.
Come on,
Oh.
let's see Father Christmas. Say
Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas.